Hi, how are you doing? Great. My name is Divya and I'm going to be your coding instructor for today's class. So, how have you been? That's great. Good to know that. So, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Divya and I'm from India. And I love coding. Can you tell me about yourself? Where are you from? How old are you? And what do you like to do for fun? Do you like playing games, watching television, reading books? Wow, that's great. Good to know that. So, do you know what are we going to learn in this class today? Yes, we are going to learn how to code. And do you have any idea about coding? That's great. Yes, making games, animations, very nice. Wonderful. So, in today's class, we are going to have a lot of fun together and we are going to make a very interesting game together. So, are you excited for today's class? That's nice. So, have you ever made a game or animation or any application? No. Okay. So, in today's class, we will make a game. Okay. Are you excited? Very nice. So, Ryan, let me quickly share my screen with you. Please do let me know if you can see my screen. I hope you can see my screen. Is my screen visible to you? Just allow me a minute. I'll be sharing my screen once again. I hope now you can see my screen, right? So, in today's class, we are going to make a game using a Scratch. So, Rayan, have you ever heard about a Scratch platform? No. Okay. All right. Let me quickly show you something very interesting. We can make many exciting games, animations, applications using Scratch. Okay. Can you tell me what do you see on my screen? Fishes, very nice. Let me quickly click on the green color flag. So, what do you see here? The fishes are moving, yes, and also they're changing colors, right? So, this is an animation. We can also make games using a Scratch, okay? So, in today's class, we are going to make an animation. Yeah? Would you like to do it? Very nice. So let me quickly open the Scratch platform. It's already open. You can always go here and you can always click on the create button on the top right left corner. If I go here, you can make games, animations, anything that you like here. So this is a Scratch platform. I hope you can see all these blue color blocks at the left hand side of my screen. Do you see them all? Very nice. So all these blue color blocks and all these blocks at the left side are called block palette. This area is called block palette. So from here we can drag and drop all these blocks and we can make any game and animation that we want. Okay? And at the center you will see the white area. Do you see this white area? Yeah, let me quickly annotate on my screen. Yes. So this white area is called the script area. Yes. So this is the place where we can put the blocks. Okay. Yes, to make the games. And at the right hand side, we have the white area. Do you see this white area? We have the cat over here. Yes, that's great. This is the stage. So this is the place where we can see the games and animations that we will make. Okay. And at the top, we have the tiny green color flag. Do you see it? So when we click it, the game will run, the code will run. And next to it, we have the red button. When you click it, the code will stop. Okay. So I don't like this cat. I want to delete it. So I will click on the trash can at the bottom and I'll click on yes. And we are making the aquarium. So I would want to choose a beautiful backdrop. Okay. So I will go to the backdrop at the bottom right corner. Do you see the choose a backdrop option? Yes, very nice. I'll go here. And we have underwater backdrops. We have two different backdrops for underwater. I like this one the most, so I'll choose this. And this time I want fishes in my aquarium. So I'll go to the cat icon at the bottom right corner. When you click here, you will see multiple sprites. Okay. So do you know what are the sprites? No, sprites are characters. Okay. Characters in a game or animation. So I would like to choose fishes. I want this starfish here. So I'm gonna choose this. Wow, do you see it? Yes, that's nice. I'll drag it and I'll put this right here at the left hand side. So I want this fish to move around and also I would want this fish to change the color. Okay, so first we will go to events at the left hand side and we have the when flag click block. I'll drag this block and I'll put this right here at the center. Yeah. And I want this fish to move. So I'll go to motion and we have the move steps block. I'll drag this and I'll put this under the when flag click block. I would want this fish to move 10 steps. Now I'll click on the green flag. Let's see what happens here. Oh, the fish is moving, but it's moving only once. I want this fish to move forever. So I'll go to control and we have a forever block. I'll put this block right on top of the blue block. Okay. So Ryan, do you know what is the forever block used for? No. Okay. So forever means always. Okay. So whatever blocks you put inside the forever will repeat the steps forever. Okay. So I want this fish to move forever. So I'm clicking on the green color flag. Let's see what happens. Wow, the fishes keep moving, but it has gone outside the screen, right? Out of the stage. I want this fish to come back. So when it touches the edge, it should bounce back. So we have a block in motion if on edge bounce. So I'll scroll down and at the left hand side we have this block. I'll put this block inside the forever block. Wow, now it's bouncing back. Do you see it? But it's ups and down, right? Yeah. So I need to set the rotation style of the fish. So we have a block called set rotation style. I'll drag this and I'll put this under this blue block. Now it's perfectly fine. Yeah. That's great. Now I want this fish to change the color as well. So to change the color of this sprite, we will go to looks and we have a block called change color block. So at the bottom, I'll drag this and I'll put this inside the forever because I want this fish to change the color forever. Wow, do you see the difference now? How is it? Do you like it? That's amazing. Now I would want to hear a sound as well. There should be some ocean sound as well because we are making an aquarium, right? So I will go back to events and we have the when flag click block. I'll drag this block once again because I want to hear the sound forever. So to play the sound, we will go to sounds and we have the play sound block. I'll drag this block and I'll put this right here under the when flag click block. Now we have the collect sound. We have multiple options to have different sounds here. We can record the sound. We can choose a sound that we like from here. So at the left hand side, we have the sound section. I'll go to the sound icon at the bottom left corner and you can choose any sound that you like. So I want the ocean sound. So I'll search for ocean sound. Wow, we have the ocean wave sound. So I'm going to choose this and I'll click on the code and I can choose it from here. I'll click on the drop down menu and I'll choose the ocean wave sound. And I want this sound to be played forever. So again, I'll go to control and I need the forever block. And now we will click on the green flag again. Wow, you hear the sound as well? That's amazing. Now this time I want more fishes in my aquarium. So what I'll do is at the bottom we have the starfish. I'm going to right click it and I'm going to duplicate this sprite from here. I would want a different fish this time. So I will change the costume of this sprite. So costume means the looks of the sprite. Okay. I'll go to costume and from here I will choose a different fish. So I'll just search for the fishes. Wow, we have many fishes here. I like this yellow fish. What about you? Which fish you like the most? Oh, that's nice. You also like this. Very good. I will delete the starfish because I don't want this fish anymore. So the second one, I'll click on code and we have the yellow fish as well. Now, I'll click on the green flag. Wow, it's so cool. I really like it. Do you also like it? You can add as many fishes as you want here. You can duplicate them and you can make the changes in their costume like this. You can always change the costume by clicking on costumes. Okay. So this time I'm going to choose a different fish. I like this one. So I'll click it. How is it? Do you like it? Very nice. I'm going to delete this fish this time. And I'll go to code. And there we go. Wow, this looks so cool. And this time I'm going to give it a name. So at the top, we have an option to give the name to the project. So this is the fish aquarium. So I'm going to name it as fish aquarium. Okay. And I'm going to click on share. By clicking on this button, you can share this project with your friends, with your family, and with your relatives. Okay. And I'm going to click on the copy link and I'm going to click on this copy link button and I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And I'm sharing this link to you as well. So you can also check the project that I have made. How is it? Very nice. So do you also want to try this? Would you like to make something new? Wow, amazing. So let's have some fun together. You can also share your screen and you can also try something new. Okay, you can change the sprites and the backdrop as per your choice. Yeah, wonderful. I really love teaching you. I really enjoyed teaching you, Rayan, and I would love to see you in the upcoming session. So, till the time, take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next class. Have fun. Bye bye. See you.